Hello, this is Darnell Tanyag with Tanyag Company. We're hosting a workshop on May 4th, first Friday in May, from 9 to 10:30. It is on the topic, communicate to 10x your referrals. Again, communicate to 10x your referrals. The benefit of this workshop, I'm going to share my knowledge of referrals the last 20 years, and especially share from this book, 7 Levels of Communication by Michael J. Mayer, because recently I came back from Atlanta and got certified referral trainer. And because I not only got certified, I'm actually been using a lot of his information from this book and applied it in my business. I'll be sharing that knowledge. The uniqueness about this is I'm going to share what I know it works. I've seen other people do it. I even do it myself, and I'm going to share real life experiences, do's and don'ts. So this is not an educational or conceptual. This is actual real life strategies and techniques that actually work. And what you stand to lose if you don't attend is, are you still doing the old way of doing referrals? Are you doing way in referrals that is detracting from people? So if you're not getting enough referrals, or you want to get more referrals and you want to have a process, know the skills and somewhat of a system, this is where you want to be. If you're okay, you're getting all the referrals you want, and you don't want to learn, you want to do, and you're okay where you're at, and you're happy where your business growth is, hey, fine. But you're going to lose out just because the fact is, with what Tanyag Company doing and what we partnered with Referral and Michael J. Mayer, we're constantly improving the game of referrals. He calls it referral mastery. And I love referrals because my business is solely built on word of mouth and referrals and introductions and relationships. So if you come, I'm going to share my knowledge and expertise. So I hope you hear. So if you watch this video, you should see the link to sign up for Eventbrite. Please do so. And I look forward to see you on May 4th. Thank you.